everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete the BeReal application. So for that, open the BeReal application first and then get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the profile icon on the top right, tap that. There on the profile page, you need to tap on the three dotted lines on the top right, tap that. This will direct you to the setting. In the setting, you need to tap on others. From the options available, tap on it, and here you will have the option of clear cache, and below that there's delete account. Tap on delete account. You need to provide the reason for why you choose to delete your account. Here, your account will be scheduled to be deleted permanently in 15 days. So you will have 15 days time period to retrieve your account. Otherwise, you will not be able to log in into that account anymore. Tap on the reason and then tap on yes, I'm sure. Your account will soon be deleted. Your account and all your data will be deleted in 15 days. Deletion is permanent. So tap on yes, I'm sure. And with that you will be logged out as your account has been submitted for the deletion. So this is how you can delete your BeReal app account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.